Hi Virgo, this message is for you for the new moon that's happening in the sign of Aquarius. We are doing a quick reading to understand what are the messages that are coming through from your spirit guides, what are they trying to help you with, and how can you take action towards it. Okay Virgo, this is Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone watching. When I'll be drawing the cards, I'll tell you what the placement means, so you know what I'm talking about. Alright, Virgo, this is for you. New moon in Aquarius. You get yang. It's you get yang. Sorry about that. Yang is about taking action. Virgo, you are being asked to take some sort of action into a new, whatever it is that you are stepping into, a new, whatever that's coming into your life, that's brand new. This is the number 1 card. So definitely a new start for you this new moon. New moons are about new beginnings. It's about resetting. It's about starting over. Some of you, it could be clearing up the past as well. But new moons generally, I've been trying hard to handle this new deck. It's a little too slippery, flimsy as well. Please bear with me while I shuffle this. Virgo, this is for you. Alright. The first card we'll be drawing is what are your spirit guides trying to help you with. No reversals on my channel. How can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? And how can you better connect with your spirit guides? Whew. Alright. Virgo, what are your spirit guides trying to help you with? 3 of Pentacles. They are trying to help you with some sort of partnership. I think you are aware of this partnership. This is something that's been there in the back of your mind. It could be a partnership, work partnership that you are willing to start. New job. Whatever it is that you are contemplating about, could be a relationship as well for some of you. They are trying to help you with the partnership. They are trying to help you collaborate. How can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? The Hierophant. The Hierophant is about, wow, this card in this deck, the Hierophant card denotes ecstatic energy that you feel with the divine. Hierophant is generally a marriage card, could be a long-term relationship, partnership that you are looking forward to with somebody, but something that soothes and satisfies your soul. You feel whole with that partnership. It helps you connect with yourself better. The action you need to take is definitely connecting with your soul. What sort of partnership helps you be rooted with your true nature, with your true self? I think you are being asked to take action towards that. Whatever it is, I did mention this. I guess it is for the Taurus. What is it that ignites fire in your soul? I guess that's take action towards it. How can you better connect with your spirit guides? There are some deep-rooted hurt, I do sense. Could be from the past, definitely from the past. Some sort of emotional imbalance that you have had, emotional hurt. You're being asked to put that down so that you can better connect with your spirit guides. They are trying to push you forward to do something. And I hope you are seeing it and you are able to better recognize it. It is some sort of partnership. Virgo, that's the message I have for you guys. Please put this emotional burden down. Let go of what is it that you are carrying on your shoulders. The emotional hurt of the past. It's time to let that go. Spend some time with yourself if you are not able to understand what is the partnership that you want to work towards. What is it that you want to collaborate with people for? But definitely some sort of action being asked of you. Alright, Virgo, that's the message I have for you guys. Please take what resonated and leave what did not. Not every message is meant for everyone, like I always say. Virgo, until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.